Welcome to the Box User Series. In this video, you'll learn how to automate your processes in Box as we explore the features and integrations that make this possible. Ready? Let's get started. I want a copy of the conference's budget in each of the marketing team's project folders. But I also don't want to manually update each single copy in the project folders every time I make changes to the budget. So, I create a shared link and turn it into a bookmark. Bookmarks allow me to reference content in other folders while maintaining a single source of truth within Box. Now, the project team will have easy access to the most up-to-date version of my budget. I'll let my collaborator know I've made a bookmark in the marketing department workspace. It's time to keep my teammates on track, so I'll assign them a task in Box. Now, we can stay out of email and other insecure tools and run our project right on the file itself. For the conference, I need a place where I can gather submissions for panelists, but I don't want to invite them into the folder where they can see who else has submitted. Instead of inviting them as collaborators individually, I'll create a file request link. This link can be forwarded by anyone to anyone who's interested in submitting, which makes my job easier. I'll be sure to request users provide their emails so I know how to contact them. I'll also ask for a file description so I know what they're submitting, and I'll set an expiration date for the submission cutoff. When I'm ready, I'll copy the link and share it with my teammates. Once I've accepted my panelists, I need them to sign contracts. I'll use the Box for DocuSign integration to automate the acceptance process. To add approval elements, just drag and drop. Once my panelists sign and click Finish, their changes will update automatically in Box, and I can rest easy, knowing my project is moving forward. Now that you've learned the basics for automating your processes, it's time to dive into your own account and start exploring. Ready to learn more? Visit the rest of the user video series.